The Union Minister for Ayush, Sarbananda Sonowal, while speaking to the media, said that since the Union government has promoted Ayush into the cabinet level, he appealed to the northeastern people to concentrate on herbal plantation and protect nature so the future can be protected.
So that is why now, as you know, Honorable Prime Minister has promoted this particular ministry to the cabinet level, and he has given me this opportunity to serve as a cabinet minister of Ayush. Now I have a special appeal to the people of Northeast. Please concentrate in the herbal plantation, medicinal plantation, and also protect nature so that we can protect our future tomorrow. So with this particular goal, now different institution is coming up in the different parts of the country, and this Meghalaya Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy is also one of the important institutions. Now we have some more initiative need to be taken to upgrade this institution. That is why we are looking forward to start PG classes here, and whatever infrastructure is required before starting the PG courses, we will definitely complete the infrastructure facilities. And secondly, the stipend issue, as the intern of the Ayurveda, they have also been demanding that their stipend should be at par with the National Institution of Ayurveda, Jaipur. So now I have already declared that this should be done at par. So with this, I hope that the student and interns and research scholars, teachers, they will all be working together as a team, so that in the near future, this particular institution will grow not only in the national map, also but the international scenario. So that is why I believe the people of Meghalaya will definitely give special emphasis on these issues, and also the people of Northeast, because Honorable Prime Minister firmly believe that considering the available potentialities, possibilities and prosperities of Northeast, this particular region can be the new engine for India's growth.
The Union Minister of Ayush, who is also the Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways, Sarbananda Sonowal, was drawn by the beauty of the Umiam Lake and assured the people of the state that he would do all he can to develop the entire area. However, he added that this can only take place depending on the proposals submitted by the government of Meghalaya to the concerned ministry.
This particular lake and my ministry, Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterways, from this ministry, if I get this proposal suitable, viable, then definitely our ministry will look into the matter positively.